There are over 3,000 registered varieties of hostas, which are perennial plants that grow in hardiness zones 3 to 9. There are over 70 species and hundreds of hybrids and cultivars. They can survive temperatures as low as minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit and require very little maintenance. Royal Standard Hosta is a large, vigorous variety that grows 26 inches tall and 63 inches wide. It has heart-shaped leaves, heart-shaped plain green leaves. The leaves can be up to 12 inches around both ways. The flowers, here you can see one of the bigger ones I have. It's just about 12 inches right here. The flowers are on stalks up to 5 feet tall. But my favorite is the Royal Standard, which is the one we are seeing. And this plain green leaf hosta is a vigorous hosta that grows in mounds, 26 inches tall and 63 inches wide. It has heart-shaped leaves, and the flowers smell really good in the evening in summertime. And of all the varieties of hostas, Royal Standard is the only one that has this pronounced fragrance. Royal Standard is a popular choice because of its large size, attractive foliage, and fragrant flowers. It is relatively easy to plant and care for. And here are some of the things just to watch out for. Put it in a location that receives morning sun and afternoon shade. The leaves can burn in full sun. And water it regularly, especially during hot, dry weather. And mulch around the plants to keep the soil cool and moist. Fertilize in the spring and fall with balanced fertilizer. And divide the plants every 3 to 4 years to keep them healthy and vigorous. And Royal Standard hostas are a beautiful addition to any garden. They can be used in borders, containers, or even as ground covers. And you can see I've used them for a ground cover quite a bit here in my garden. They thrive for many years. So I hope that you like this video today about one of my very favorite plants. And if you did, please subscribe. And I will talk to you next time. Goodbye.